Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the bonus session because there are a lot of students who are facing problem while searching the domain name and they are not getting the proper domain name as per their own choice. So today I'm going to tell you about one website which is going to help you in finding domain as per your choice. So whichever domain name you want to get it registered, you can select the domain as per your wish, as per your choice, and depending upon your requirement. So here, but there will be a little bit difference in the extension. You may or may not get the .com extension website domain. However, you might get a different extension domain. So that is okay. Sometimes even you get a little bit similar extension that is sometime okay, or with the little bit similar domain name that is also okay. So that we will check that how we can use this website, and what are the benefits we are going to get, and how you can get the domain as per your choice. So we will go and check on this website www.leandomainsearch.com. So to find this domain, we will search on leandomainsearch.com. Then after that, we will just go and just check the name cheap, that what are the price of this domain, whichever we want to register. So first of all, we'll just log into this particular website. So here I have already logged into the this website. So here is a leandomainsearch.com. So now here I am going to guide you that how you can get your name registered over here, and how you can find your name. However, here you can find the name and you can register as well. You can it will redirect to your other website, but I'll teach you how to now find the domain name. So suppose I want to get the domain name with the digital marketing, digital. So this digital marketing name we wanted to select for our domain, and we wanted to start a blog or a website with the name of digital marketing. So we have to select the different names. So now they see, you can see there are 2,603 names has been found with .com, and you can see that digital marketing game, digital marketing village, digital marketing find, digital marketing stock, earth digital marketing. So you can see there are a lot of option, you can get it over here. You can see the digital marketing shopping. Here you can see there are the multiple domains over here, and you can register a domain as per your choice. So there are so many options over here is mentioned. So suppose I have to if I want to register, if I like one domain, the name of the digital marketing rock. Okay, so once I'll click on digital marketing rock, you will see he will give you also option that if you wanted the same domain name, you want to use the same name with the Twitter also, it will tell you that whether that domain name is too long for the Twitter or like it's okay. So here you can see the domain rock.com is still available. You can register this domain on the different domain service provider, and also you just check that you can see that here the Twitter name is also displayed, so it will also give you the understanding that whether you can register the same name in the Twitter or not, or whether that name is good for the Twitter or not, because here in this Twitter you'll see that such a big name is not required in the Twitter, and ideally it will not good as per the Twitter name expectation. So but still, if you want, you can register the domain, or you can just opt for the small domain. So suppose if I'll go for the small domain, digital marketing auto. So digital marketing auto, I'll see that digital marketing auto is still available, but again the digital marketing auto is too long to be a Twitter username. So guys, it doesn't matter that whether the domain is there, or you can register in the Twitter or not. You can select, but however, you can register the same name in the Twitter, but the only thing is that there will be name will be little bigger. So you have to do editing on the name while you are taking the same name, keeping the same name in the Twitter as well. So guys, remember one thing: when you're registering the domain, please make sure that if you wanted to continue the same domain, you just register the same domain in the Instagram. Also, you register with the same name with the Facebook, and all social media you register with the same name. So suppose I have taken the digital marketing games. So digital marketing games, if I have selected, now digital marketing games is available. So what I'll do, I'll register with the same name, digital marketing games, in all the social media platform, because I wanted to continue with the same domain in the future also. So one should use my domain name or the company name if I wanted to form. And this will be my permanent domain name and the name of my blog, or for my company, or for my whatever, I mean, service I'm going to, for whatever thing I'm going to start my website. So now here you will see that domain is available. Now what I'll do, I'll just go and just check in this Namecheap that digital marketing games.com is available or not, and what are the charges. If I want to start with, so I've searched digital marketing games.com. So you can see that this domain is costing me 661. However, there are the many other domains, which is, yeah, if you go for digital marketing games.xyz, this will cost you 74 rupees per year. Again, like digital marketing games.club, you will see 124 rupees they are asking for. Now, guys, I would like to tell you one thing. I mean, if just for a practice purpose you want the domain, then you can go for this digital marketing dot xyz. However, there was a lot of students who are facing problem in purchasing the domain. They were not getting the domain as per their budget. However, this was like 600, 1200, 1300. So what I would say, one thing, that if you really wanted to continue with the domain, then you register for the domain like this .com domain, or .in or .org, as I told you earlier. However, but just you want to, for a practice purpose, you wanted to buy the domain, then you can go for .xyz. So this you will get like 74 rupees per year. So you can go for even like less than $1 also. So now if I'll go for this, if I'm just wanted to go for the practice purpose, so now for that I have to buy this domain. So I'll add to this cart, and now I'll view the different domains. So here you will see that 74 rupees plus 13 rupees I can fee will be there. So whenever you will register for some different domain, not in the country specific, you will see that ICANN fee is ICANN fee will be there. So you will, now you can check out. So once you will check out, so it's here you will be charged. No, who is guard? So this is what who is guard is, that this is it basically like will protect your domain for any unwanted online exposure to your domain. So if you want, you can put it active, and it is free forever. So let it be enabled. So now you will confirm. Then after doing confirm, if you want, you can go for 2 years also. If you could confirm, then it will give you the confirmation. Then accordingly, it will redirect to your different bank account, and it'll ask you for the making the payment. Now if I'll put the my bank account, it will enter everything, and now after that I'll put continue, and my domain will be purchased. Now this is the best way to I mean, search the domain, because if you directly go to the name cheats and you will search the domain, you will not get that much option. But however, you can see there are a lot of option you can get over here. There are 2600 domains in there. So I would suggest that before registering for the domain, those students, those who are facing problem is registering the domain, finding the domain, you can go to this website leandomainsearch.com. So guys, I hope you have understood that how to find the domain and how to register the domain. And in our previous class, we have learned about the hosting, and now hosting, in our next class we will learn about the different hosting service provider, and we will, first of all, I am going to teach you about this hostinger. Okay, then I'll teach you that how you can register, get the free hosting service. I mean, but before that, I am again repeating the same thing, that please purchase the domain, because without domain you will not be able to understand that how to host the domain in the hosting, and how you can and how to start the WordPress website. So at least you just spend 75-80 rupees and just purchase one domain. So in the next class, which will be tomorrow, and I hope that you are going to purchase the domain as per your choice. So even you can't afford to buy like .com domain, you can purchase this .xyz domain also. So I'll see you in the next class, and in that we will learn about this Hostinger and this how to install the domain in this Hostinger free platform. So that's it from today's session, guys. I hope you have learned something from this session, and if you want, you can note down this website name, www.leandomainsearch.com. I'll mention in the description also. You can check directly. So you can go and just search and just check, and how you can what are the different options you are getting. And if you have any question, you can discuss with me in the comment section below, and I'll reply you accordingly. And even you can ask me the question on the Facebook group. And if you have not joined my Facebook group, you can join our Facebook group, and you can ask the question over there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next class.